because she was talking about me. I'm the only one who went back and forth with Tasha. Girl, you the fuck up out of her playing. Quit playing that. You came on the motherfuckers down there in the comment, bitch. I know exactly what the fuck going on.
The person you got the problem with is right here, and you ain't said nothing to her.
Bitch, I don't know. You are enough to have a problem, but I'm addressing you bitches saying my name. That's all.
Girl, who said your name? Not me. You talking to the wrong person. You don't even. Are you that terrified of
you
her?
Just like what's up? Hey, bitch, you ain't have enough heart, bitch. But you was talking about me all day long.
Oh, okay. All right, girl.
I said your name.
You got
and I
a
said what I had to say. So what you want to say to me?
Okay.
Because at the end of the day,
she don't got nothing to say.
I mean,
because you know why I'm done with y'all because the platform.
She does now.
Because you ain't making no. You don't got enough.
Everything you said was meant for her, and now you don't got nothing to say. That is weird.
Okay. No, it went for her. She was on her before you pulled up.
And you said nothing.
For you.
And you said nothing. Like, what the fuck is wrong with you? So you been waiting on me for 3 hours? You been waiting on me for 3 hours.
You feel like because you didn't ask
you was waiting on me for 3 hours and I wasn't even the right person. But I knew something was wrong with you when I was talking to Raw and you jumped on my throat. But you had just rolled my dick in the comments, girl.
Right on, boo.
You had just rolled the fuck
right on. Cool.
You come on here, you talking shit. You was
you
wrong. You still talking shit. You are slow, baby girl. You are retarded at this point.
You don't get no motherfucking brownie points. Get the fuck down.
You don't get no brownie points.
Go back to your motherfucking seat, bitch.
You get nothing. You get nothing because you are slow. You get a straight jacket.
You ain't even got to admit you was talking about me, bitch.
Because I wasn't. I was in the comments. So if I was, you would see some motherfucking receipts. So you see that? Have anybody
say I'm in the comments?
What's her name? Shay done went all through the comments and she don't see nothing.
Shay.
Empress done went all through the comments and they don't see nothing with Penny and Nene name together. So what the fuck is wrong?
Look, this all I'm gonna say to this. Nobody else arguing with Tasha but me. So when the nigga pulled up in the room and Louisiana got his ass together before he dipped out, she said, y'all said, but you was talking to me. You just ain't got enough heart to at me, bitch. That part.
You know what?
Because when
you really sound like you biting down for real. It sounds like
you have to be talking to me.
No, for real. At this point,
stupid.
At this point, I really want you to seek help because it really sounds like your teeth are stuck
No, you're
together.
dumb.
You are biting down over there. You are rolling, and that's so not. You need to stop.
Just ain't got.
You need to stop that shit. You need to let that be. Go, baby girl. Please let that go.
Hold on. Plus size. You got the flow. Plus size. Go ahead. At this point, let it go, baby. You proved your point, girl. You didn't talk about her, but you right here in her now. She just want to go back and forth. Just let it go, Penny. Because it's real ridiculous.
At the end of the day, she can't say who up her she was talking about, though. She can't say who she was talking about, but you was talking about somebody. Everybody wasn't arguing with her.
Everybody who was, that's who I was talking about. 1 + 1 equals 2. What are you talking about? Whoever that can go to you and whoever the fuck else want to take it personal.
It was only me.
Like, you retarded.
It was only me.
Slow.
It was me and Ratchet.
Girl.
It was me and Ratchet. It was just me and Ratchet.
Drink some water. Because that bean on your ass. I hope it's just a bean.
Okay, cool. When you're done talking about me, you just don't have enough heart to say, and I respect that. Thank you.
Girl, hard to say what? I done repeated everything I said. I done stood on everything I said. Everything I was typing in the comments, I repeated out my mouth. So
you put it in a y'all, bitch, when you know damn well it was just me and her.
What the fuck is you saying?
But when you
said the person who said your name right in your face, you ain't said shit. You ain't said shit. I don't know where you at, like you from. You from under the sea or something, baby.
Back to legs.
Girl, you ain't never even been talking about legs. You been distracting everybody out here arguing and yelling and shit like a fucking mad person. You fucking.
You came up here and y'all baby ass bitch.
I was invited multiple times. Oh, okay. They tried to boot your ass off and you still up there. That's them drugs.
Okay, cool. You done, bitch.
Is you?
If you ain't gonna own up and stand on your 10 toes, then don't talk to me.
Is you finished or you through? I've been standing on my toes, my elbows, my knees. I done stood on everything.
Okay, cool. Who else trying to talk?
You need to talk to Pretty Brown. That's who you need to talk to. You done did all of this. You done did all of this and had the wrong person. Talk to the right person, please.
Let Pretty talk. Let's just let Pretty talk. No, I want Candy to talk. Candy, what's up?
Hello? Can
Yeah,
you
what's
hear
up?
me?
Yes.
Okay, I was calling in because I also said in the chat that Nene was so quiet when that guy came on the phone. I don't give a damn who he was. Everybody should have got on him how he disrespected Lex. Either way it go, she was talking all that shit all night long, and she didn't even say one word in defense. And she keeps saying that dude defended and said something.
Ratchet guy, argue with women and women don't argue with men.
Girl,
Shut
it
the fuck
don't
up and go
matter.
back.
All that arguing, you act like a man. So you should have came to him just
And
like you act a man.
And
You shouldn't have allowed him to say much of nothing. You should have stepped in
too,
like
bitch, on my mama.
and keep your mouth running and let that nigga know his place. You want to be ratchet gang?
When you
down for the team? I don't give a fuck if it is a man. You still should stand up. You've been talking shit
Bitch.
all night. That's all you've been
If you
doing. Talking shit.
feel-
You ain't proved no point.
I'm not no.
Bitch, I can't even hear you, and I'm not even that type. I'm not even gonna hear what you gotta say regardless. I'm not Candy.
Red.
Okay, cool.
I'm not
You heard him, Candy. Red.
What I
Hold
do
on,
wanna say
Candy.
is, you the type of bitch that talk shit on
Okay,
the
cool.
internet and ain't gonna.
Cool. Bad. Okay, you done yet?
Go ahead, Candy. Red, keep your mic muted. Go ahead, Candy. Or Nene.
At the end of the day, like I said, just like this girl just pulled up her, that's what all them hoes was down there doing. At the end of the day, she trying to say because I didn't say at the @ NENE and I put y'all, bitch, that's some punk ass shit. Get the fuck up out of here with that. Nobody else was arguing.
Everybody know who
I want to talk
later. Like, you been yelling all night.
Shay, who else was arguing?
Red, mute your mic, please. We'll get to you in one moment. Hey, who background is that?
Nene. Who else was arguing with Tasha? So just because you don't put an at a motherfucker, you just a punk bitch. But you was talking about me. And that's what the fuck I'm standing. I don't give a fuck in the fucking comment section say. I know exactly what the fuck went on. Because before the day, me and you been talking back and forth. You mad about a bitch that you don't even... Exactly. That's what I'm telling your stupid ass. You was in the comments.
Listen, hold on. Let me kill
Don't even know.
Listen, let me kill it real quick.
I'm not listening to you, bitch. I'm not listening to you. I am not listening to you.
Plus everybody.
Please.
I'm gonna say Nene.
Please, dude.
Plus everybody.
Bitch, don't sub me, hoe. Don't sub me, hoe, because
This dumbass bitch been running her fucking mouth all fucking night. And now when the nigga come in and talk shit, she wanna be quiet. She wanna rest.
bitch, you mad. Argue with a nigga. Girl, shut the fuck up.
This bitch ain't good for number running her motherfucking mouth.
Y'all witchy assholes. Y'all bitches ain't nothing but some witches coming here to try to distract the fucking energy.
Girl,
Fuck
you is
y'all.
the distraction. You is the distraction.
You seem like you need a rose to go fuck yourself, bitch.
When you're done talking, you hoes ain't even talking about the content. You mad because a
Everybody
motherfucker
been said, let it
disagree?
go. You won't let it go. Let it
No,
go.
you bitches still talking.
Let it go.
then.
You want to argue with
Shut the
me?
fuck.
Ratchet, I love you, Ratchet.
Nene,
You
go to
are-
bed. Please, baby, go to bed.
I don't give a fuck how many hoes come up in here and try to tag team. Bitch, I'm a one band, one sound. Fuck you thought this was. I don't give a fuck about none of that.
Up in her. This bitch can't even say here correctly.
That's cool. She wasn't talking to me. That is.
And she's talking so much.
She was talking to whoever else was, or I guess she was talking to Ratchet then. I guess she was talking.
Stupid ass bitch.
Okay, I'll be there. You
I was
done.
about to say something because I heard somebody for a moment and then it clicked. So
I was trying to ask plus size something real quick.
well, go ahead, ask it. You got the floor.
I was trying to figure. I was just wanted to ask you, like, how do you feel about your daughter consuming this kind of content?
We've been following Ratchet with this case. Well, I've been following Ratchet since Dolph. And So we've been on this case since it started because we from here. So we just want to, see what's going on and follow it. But she's cool with it. I mean, I'm cool with her following this case. But she ain't about to get on here and go back to back like how Nene acting. Like, no, that's why she's quiet. She doesn't say what she had to say, and that's it. Let it go. Get back on Lex.
Is this the mama of the messy ass daughter who added me, girl? Please
sure
stop.
is.
Nobody even asked your daughter to comfort me. Check your daughter, not
let shit go.
Right? Told your daughter let it go because she added me talking to the bitch up
You
her.
don't keep talking about it. She been let it go. She quiet.
Does, y'all. She really can't help it for real.
But they up here saying, pretty brown out. I don't got to talk to her.
But back to Bridge. Bridge, she's here for the case, baby. She just don't care for Nene, like a lot of other people on here don't.
All right, thank you.
And I do want to apologize by saying all Ratchet's mods. I don't know Empress. I don't know Danny. Shay, I had an issue because you cut me off at first, but I don't have an issue with none of your mods. But I do hear.
I apologize, Miss Plus. I didn't know who you was either at the beginning when you first came in, so I would be woman enough and apologize for that. I just thought it was about to go left. It ain't about me dick riding or anything like that. I thought it was about to get aggressive, and Ratchet was talking, and I'm one of the moderators, and that's part of my job description. So I apologize.
You fine, baby. But I do know my daughter, she watches this faithfully on Clubhouse, and she speaks highly of Empress and Danny. She really do.
Yeah, she done been up here with us quite a few times. I ain't never had an issue with Brittany.
Louisiana.
Sweetie at the bottom. I don't want to mess up.
Louisiana, you still hanging in there?
Yo, man, I'm still up, man. Man, this shit going crazy, man. Like,
Girls going wild.
I need my aid.
Boy, we got to holler Ratchet name like Jerry Springer.
I'm about